Hey, sweetie. Wake up, baby. Caroline, wake up. Wake up. Wake up, sweetie. Oh, you feel hot. You're supposed to be sweating? It's cold out here. I might give you a little walk. Yeah, baby. Let me see your eyeball. She is really hot. She's boiling. Girl, you got sweat on your brow. Can't see teeth. I know you're tired of somebody messing with your mouth, but ooh, that's some. Let me see your bite. Ooh, that's a nice bite. Yeah, that's a good bite. Look at how straight those teeth match up. Yeah, that looks good, baby. Oh, Lord. Oh, thank you. I love to be showered in horse snot. Ah, mercy. Caroline, you're just a clown. All that. You're gonna go back to sleep now, huh? Ah, mercy. Sweet girl. Oh, my baby. I love you, girl. Yes, I do. I'll let you sleep. I'll keep checking on you. I like to put you in your stall. You start eating hay. Well, you're looking good. Just worried about you being hot. It feels like it's ice chest out here. I guess these poles will hold you up, hold your head up. Hey, Dee Dee. Say hey, everybody. Say hey, Mama. It's Caroline. Let's see. Don't feel hot up here, but your head's hot. Nice and cool back here. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, girl. You letting your feet rest? My goodness. That's a sleepy girl. That's a sleepy girl. minute ago, I had a dog and a horse just a snoring away. He's a pretty girl. Yeah, he's a good girl. Get you woke up. Move your foot, move your leg. Move your leg. Good girl. Get your feet under you. Gotta call out the blacksmith to get your feet done. Okay, Caroline. Say goodbye. Say night-night.